Let's fix if the audio is not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to watch any given video, you maybe want to get notifications whenever you get a call, some kind of audio is not working, it's not ringing, it's not making a sound. I'm going to show you different steps to get that fixed. The first and the easiest thing that we'll do is we'll swipe down from the top right, and you can see right there the speaker right next to the brightness. Let's bump that all the way up to the very top. So that is one option. Another thing that we're going to want to do is on the very side of your iPhone, you can see a little toggle switch that either turns silent mode on or off. So to turn silent mode off and increase the audio, let's toggle that towards us. You can see at the very top it goes to ring. And then now we will use that volume button itself to increase it all the way. So I'm going to press that volume button all the way to the top. You can see that ringer is at the very max that it could be. So these are a couple different things that we can check. We can also check the headphone balance in your basically iPhone settings themselves. So let's open up settings and we will scroll down until we get to accessibility. And then if we scroll down, we'll go to audio and visual. Now you can see towards the bottom here is balance, and it says adjust the audio balance between the left and the right channels. So potentially some different speakers only use one of those channels. So if you have it all the way to the right or all the way to the left, that could cause issues. So I recommend just getting back to zero, back to the center, so that it uses both the left and the right channels at the same time, basically equal amounts. So that's another thing that you can do. Another thing you can see at the very top is a speaker, and at the very bottom there are speakers. If you have a case and maybe it's all gunked up, there's dirt, there's maybe some kind of lint or something like that that gets stuck in there, it's a fairly common thing that causes issues. With the audio, it'll all be basically muted. So get a little, toothpick or a little swab and clean out those little speakers at the very bottom here and at the very top near the earpiece. So after we've done those steps, we want to make sure as well that you're not connected to a third-party Bluetooth speaker. That's all the audio is going to that Bluetooth speaker. So let's go back and we'll go to Bluetooth and toggle that off. So we're making sure that we're not connected to any Bluetooth. And now that we've turned on all of the sound in your iPhone itself, in some apps themselves, they have different audio settings that can either mute or turn them on. So one example is Instagram. Let's go into Instagram here. And if I scroll down and find a video, you can see it started playing that audio immediately. But at the bottom right, there is a little speaker. So if I tapped that speaker and it's currently on mute, I can just tap it.
If I can do this, it means...
So you can see that automatically turns the volume on. So even though I have all the volume turned on my iPhone, some apps themselves will mute it unless you turn that audio back on. Now the last thing that you can do if you're still having issues is you can tap the volume up, volume down, and then tap and hold the power button to force restart your phone. So volume up, volume down, and then tap and hold. And you can just slide to power off your phone there. And basically by going through those steps, you will help to restart that phone and fix any kind of audio issues. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.